Hello, my technical drawing and design class. We are on the Georgian house project assignment 12 elevations. This is part 4. And here we are going to be doing the porches and the front stairs. And this is just before we start hatching and finishing up this part of the assignment. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Most of the information we need is really right here on this one sheet. Tells us a lot of information that we need. So let's go ahead and just dive right into this. First thing we need to do is we're going to be offsetting. We're going to go ahead and start building these pillars off on the ends. So I'm going to grab this one pillar. I'm going to select it or specify my distance. Sorry, so that's 32 inches. There. Go ahead and offset this one up. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We're going to offset this one up. Very good. Escape. And then we're going to go ahead and do the fillet tool so we can go ahead and get this line to come all the way up. So fillet. I could also use extend. I understand. I just like the fillet tool. Very, very powerful tool. Fillet here. Enter. And now we need to offset so we know how far this pillar is going to go in. That's going to be 32 inches. So once again, grab my offset. 32 inches. Enter. Set this one in. And I will offset this one in. Perfect. Now, once we have this part, I can go ahead and trim out the extra lines I don't need. Grab the trim tool. Remember, you probably need to turn all these into trim lines, but then go ahead and just start trimming out these internal parts. I'll do the same on the other side. Trim, trim, trim. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and do our front door and front steps. So to get the pillars in here, we need to offset again. So I'll grab the offset tool. I need to offset this line here. This one needs to come up 36 inches. 6 inches. Perfect. I need to offset these outside lines by 24 inches. So I'll grab that. 24 inches. And push these out to the outside. And once again, I can either trim or use the fillet. I'm going to use the fillet again. Here and here. And it's actually getting rid of both of those two lines for me, which is really good. I'll grab the fillet here and here. Got rid of those lines for me. And now I can just go ahead and do a little trimming. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That. And I had this little line sitting in here. So I'm just going to press escape knowing this is a single line. I can grab it, just hit delete. There we go. So I now have the posts there. I now need to put the steps in. So my steps, I'm just going to offset one more time. My steps are at 6-inch intervals. So 6-inch. And I know I could try to grab this big line, but the problem is it goes all the way across, but my top line will work as well. And also offset that down 6 inches. Do it again. And there we go. Hit escape, back up. I now have, for my house here, the front steps. I have the porches and stairs and all the posts done. So I am done with this part. After this, we go into hatching. Have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.